Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, May 21st, 2021. It is also Fun Fact Friday. And here's today's fun fact. Reading for 6 minutes a day reduces stress by 68%. Wow. I need to read a little bit more. That would help reduce my stress. So there you go. Do a little reading. It'll make your body feel better. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having cinnamon roll. For lunch, it's going to be cheeseburger. On Monday's breakfast, it'll be breakfast pizza, and for lunch is turkey sub. Birthdays today, we have 3 birthdays. We have Miss Rosalie Miller, Iker Mendez, and everyone's favorite school nurse, Nurse Eaton. So lots of celebrating we will be doing today, from kindergarten all the way up to 5th grade, and especially celebrating Nurse Eaton. We also have 3 weekend birthdays: Edward, Jose, Adriana Salter, and David Jones. Happy birthday to those friends. Y'all celebrate all weekend too. A couple of announcements. Remember, all library books are due. Today is a great day to clean out your desk, clean out your cubbies, clean out everything, and see if you can find all those missing library books. For our remote friends, we will be doing remote pickup next week. When you bring your devices back, that is an excellent time to bring back those library books that you've had since last spring. So dig around your house, look for them under your bed, find those library books that you have out, and make sure that you bring those back when you bring your devices back. I know that your teachers will remind you of that next week also, but make sure you bring back any library books with your devices. Also, Miss Smith is continuing to come around and check in textbooks and things, so she'll get to you as soon as she can. Late duty today is Miss Waller. Next week, finishing out our year, we have Miss Check, Miss Duberg, and Miss Beatty. Important dates. May 25th is our 5th grade transition programs at 9 and 10. May 25th is also our end of the year celebrations and remote student device drop off. The 26th, the last day for students, is half a day. We also have the student device drop off from 8 to 11, and May 28th is the last day for teachers. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepherd.